Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing SnapeDex. Now, as you can see, I have it opened up here on Reddit. Since I can't seem to find the SnapeDex website themselves, and someone here on Reddit asked if is SnapeDex too good to be true, and basically, these people said right here, you found a website with near zero web presence, so maybe that's why I couldn't find their website. So no company registered behind it, no reviews, and a few fake YouTube offering 25,000 as a bonus, and you think there's a chance that it is real. So as you can see, it is basically too good to be true. So it is basically it's a weird bad combination of something, so it's so unknown to ask if someone else has heard, but also ask it's super successful. Unless you're trying to hawk this site and targeting noobs, that will bite. So basically, it is just a scam website. So 0.31 Bitcoin is basically 25k, and it's basically too good to be true for it to be a bonus. So yeah, that is it. That is my review on SnapeDex. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.